One of the things that I've heard consistently in my discussions with people who have not taken courses from MCC is a concern over, oh, I'm so busy. How am I ever going to get more time into my calendar to take a course? We've created a new certificate program. It's called Disciple Maker's Path, and the courses are only 8 weeks in duration. And the idea behind those courses is to get you introduced to the concept of what can I do as a follower of Jesus? What does the Bible tell me to do to help me be a better disciple maker? And in those courses, you'll learn from high quality instructors. You'll learn in an environment together with other people, and you're going to do it in an online format that you can do at the time that fits you. You can stay at home and do it. And the idea behind this is to get you started. In fact, we're offering the first course in that, the Disciple Maker's Path certificate. We're offering the first course for free. And we're doing that because we are so convinced about the way our courses will impact your life as a disciple maker that we want you to experience, and we want to lower every barrier we can think of to allow you to start. So I want to encourage everyone who's thought maybe, hey, I would like to learn more about this, or I would like to take something from MCC, but I'm scared about the time commitment, maybe even a bit scared about my ability to do the work, which you shouldn't be. I'd encourage people to look and check us out, Disciple Maker's Path at Maritime Christian College.